Organizing in my craft room still. Always a job to be done. Hi, it's Sharon from Cherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'm back in my craft room because I still have lots of things to organize. So I thought I would just organize this little bit of stuff. I am going to put my leaves and stuff in a basket because in my closet it's hard to get to them. So I'm not sure. Now I have put stuff here and there in these baskets and I don't like it. So here's an empty one. So I'm going to try with the leaves. And I'm going to put that stuff all in one of these baskets. I have lots of these bags. I'm going to stick them in here. There's another one. I think that'll work better. And let's find another one. And I'm going to put the bigger stuff in here. And hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to get rid of this bin out of the closet. It's just kind of cumbersome to find things when you're looking for them. And I think they'll store better. So, let's get rid of that bin. It's a nice box. I'm going to put these in here. And I have a couple up here that have leaves. And this is a nice bin that's got stuff in it. Oh, there's another bag with leaves. Okay. And then I can just grab a bag of what I want. So I think that works good for that. And it empties. It empties a couple spaces in my closet. I don't know, can you see? It empties it over here. Then I can put my tools. This is full of moss, and it needs to be out here too. Because fairy gardens are what I do. So I'm going to take these pieces of moss, some of these brown things. I use all of those on my fairy gardens. Some more moss, and then I have little bags of moss. So they can all go in a bin too. And it's much easier to get it out than having to dig in my closet. Okay, this stuff, that used to all go under. This all needs to go somewhere. Okay, I don't want to do that right now. Because one of my goals is to clear off this table. So that I can do pottery. And this bin has lots of fairy garden stuff in it. So I'm going to put my new stuff in this bin. Not the flowers so much, but the little bits. That I just bought. It can go in here. And then I'll know where to get them. So I do have another basket over there that I did before. Now, I don't want those in there. Okay, these leaves can go in the bin with the leaves now. Over here, packages, here we go. There we go. Okay, let's go back over to this table. Now, I have many little packages of flowers. And I'm gonna put them in the bin instead of on the wall. Now that's fencing. And this is mushrooms. This is flowers. Okay. Let's put this back in here. Okay. Okay. Little stools, and they go in this one. Okay, these are flowers. I'm going to put them in the bin. Glue gun goes down there. Okay. A little package of cookies. A little plate of cookies. And it goes in that drawer. This bin. Berries here that I had out to do my last project in. I like to try and keep them in their little foam and in their box. And the box is on the floor here. So I'm going to put them in their box and then they'll go in the cupboard. And that way they don't get broken. We're getting the table clear. Oops, here's a bag of moss. It's good, you can put the moss back in it. And I'll put it in the moss bucket. And this little bits of stuff can all go in the garbage. Okay. Oh, here's the bag of flowers. That goes in with this bag of flowers. Here, there's moss somewhere. Yep, we're gonna have to tag these. I don't know where they are. And this is part of my camera, and this stuff on the table here is all gonna get swept in the garbage. My cupboard over there, I can probably put some of my tools in there, just so. And we're going to sweep this stuff in here. That's a flower. In case you can't see, got my garbage can right here. Oop, sorry about the noise, big noise. I brought my 2 chairs out of the van, so for my special project in my garden. But I won't be starting that because we're still got snow coming down. This stuff go in there. Go under there. Go under there. I'm not sure what I'm doing with that, so I'm just going to set it over here. Okay. Now, I am going to stick this stuff back in the cupboard just for now, till I decide what I'm doing. There's lots of organizing to do. Husband's label maker out, and I'm going to just put little labels right on here. It's just a little black and white label maker, and I think that'll work pretty good. These bags don't belong in here. One belongs in my purse. What's this one? Oh, here's some more. They gave me bags. They gave me bags at the old Main store. So I put my pop bottles in them, and I hang them on my fence for whoever wants them. And here I'm just getting out some supplies to set up to do some pottery the next day. And thank you everyone for watching this video. And I'd like to welcome any of my new subscribers and send hugs out to my regulars. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Well, I've got everything all cleaned off my table, and I've got my stuff set up for pottery. So we'll have to get busy. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration. Her channel is The Helpful Home. And anybody else who is participating this week in this collaboration, I will have them in my comment section. So all you have to do is click on it and you can watch their tiny tinies too. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.